Hi friends, welcome to IT Recruiter Training. Welcome to the channel, The Starting Point. Like our previous videos, we have learned about US staffing process. We have learned about US visa, text term, and now we are learning about the Boolean search string. In my previous videos, also I have uploaded couple of videos regarding Java Boolean, and you can watch that video and know more about the Java and how to make a proper Boolean for backend, frontend, and full stack Java developer. So in this video, in the today topic is obviously it's a Boolean string training. So today's topic for this is a core Java developer. So today we are going to learn about core Java developer, right? What is core Java developer? Like there are Java developer, J2EE developer, and front end developer, back end developer, full stack developer, and one is core Java developer. So today we will understand what is core Java developer. So basically, core Java developer is a person who is expert in Java standard edition, all right, and its related technologies like Java class libraries, multi-threading, collections, exception handling, plus, and very important thing, they are too good with OOPS concept, object oriented programming. That is OOPS concept. So today we will gonna understand about core Java developer, and I will explain how to make a proper Boolean. So next time, if you will be making a video, or if you will be making a Boolean on core Java developer, you can pick up these particular keywords and make a Boolean, which will make an effective Boolean to search a core Java developer profile. And you can always search for these developers on the job boards like Monster, Career Builder, Dice. If you are using any ATS like Job Diva, Bullhorn, you can always use that. Personally, I prefer Dice and TechFetch for these technical roles. Now it's up to you, like in which job board you are comfortable in. Many companies, they are using Job Diva as an ATS, and they have integrated job boards in job diva itself, so you don't have to go to particular or any specific job board to search for the profiles. You can search in job diva itself, although it is integrated with the job boards, so it will give you all the resumes. But most of the companies, they are using a particular dedicated job boards like Monster, Dice, Career Builder, TechFetch. So for these technical roles like Java developer, core Java developer, as a recruiter, my preference is Dice and TechFetch. Now it's up to you, right? Every recruiter have their own choice. So whatever job board you feel like, you can search. And now let's move ahead with the topic, core Java developer. So whenever you are searching for a core Java developer, always keep this in mind. Like you are looking for a person who is expert in Java standard edition, who has good knowledge of multi-threading, collection, exceptional handling, and who is good with OOPS concept like inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism. These all are the OOPS concepts. All right. So, like I said, person who is good with standard edition. So here it is. First keyword. You can put it in the search string, or you can talk to the person and ask him if he has the experience or not. Right. And second thing is like object oriented programming. Oops. This is very important keyword to put in the Boolean search while you are making it. You know. So when you put oops, like you will get a person who is mostly focused into server side, right? So main part of the backend developer, core Java developer, is they are more focused into server side instead of client side programming. They focused into server side. All right. And like I said, the keywords are multi-threading, exceptional handling, right? These keywords are always there. And like you can put the Java, J2EE, OOPS, like full form of OOPS, object oriented programming, and keywords like multi-threading, collections in your search string, and you're good to go. If you have any query, feel free to reach me out. You can comment, or you can send me an email. I will mention my email in the description. so you will get the email address. Always reach me out if you have any query about the video. Thank you so much for watching, and all the best. Keep learning, and yes, please subscribe the channel. Motivate me, please.